cutie patootie. Is that your new stickers? So we are headed to the beach. Saturday and Sunday is like our only day to like do family things. Cole works Monday through Friday, you know, doesn't get home till like 4 p.m. so it kind of like cuts our day out. So Saturday and Sundays are our family days. So today is just a typical day in our family. Come on, let's go. Ayla just took a nap and we got ready for the beach. Now I am going to find some snacks that we can take with us. No, we're not gonna make coffee. I found 2 bananas, cherry raisins. I have these organic peanut butter puff cereal, so I'm gonna put some in a little bag. Let's get a bag for our snacks. I got this at Old Navy, and one side says salty and the other side says sweet. It's like insulated cooler. I decided to sneak 2 more things in. So I'm taking a fig bar and an oatmeal blueberry square. We need to like go get some fruit. Alright, we are officially ready to go. Forgot the towel. Are you ready to go, Ayla? Yeah, okay, let's go. When you have to pack and prepare for a baby and just taking a simple trip to the beach, it's crazy. But anyways, what beach are we meeting you guys at? It takes a while to get out of the house with a baby.
Oh my god, I'm like, what the heck is going on? It's more like kid friendly.
Nice. I'll call you when we are close to Huivas. Put on new slippers and she like does not want to move. She's like frozen. Yeah? Okay, let's go. Come on. Oh, such pretty eyes. Did you see the eyes? Okay, let's go.
Oh, come on. Show you my mom's.
She's like, what the heck are these on my feet, yo? Alright, we made it to the beach. We are in one of our favorite towns called Waimanalo in Hawaii. And we are going to meet my sister. So we stopped off to get some plate lunches. It's such an awesome way. Like, if you guys don't have this, you guys need this in your life. Usually I put Ayla in here. She loves riding. Whew. This is where the road is, and we're entering the beach access. This is a little bumpy for our wagon. It's off-wheeling. Ayla, are you so excited to go to the beach and see Nino? Yeah, I'm so happy we made it. Oh no. We always bring the wagon, but he didn't know about the beach access to get to the beach. So I think I see them. These are called sandbags, and they stop the water from eroding. Say hi, Nina. Yay! Alright, let's go figure out what's going on with Keikoa. Look at the mountain right here. Right to where we are sitting. I should have told you it was like... Ayla's gonna go feed her leftovers to the fishies. I'll show you guys what I got. Got Ayla avocado maki, so it's just avocado and rice. Got me, it's called a spicy ahi roll. This is life.
Yeah. Yeah, bro.
Hi, baby. Hi.
Yeah, it's very nice.
Do you want? Say, I want. Good job. Is Daddy putting sunscreen on you? Are you trying to eat? Say, I'm trying to eat, Daddy. We never used this before. We bought this when we went on a boat. She had to have a life jacket. So we're testing it out. We left her other floaties at home. Bye-bye. Oh, she wants a kiss. Hi, Bubba's. Hi. My sister's boyfriend got this time lapse before we got here of this boat arriving. Look how cool. And there's the boat. Right where we are cruising. I don't know. Okay, Ella, kick your legs. Kick, 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 kick. Ella, kick your legs.
Such a big girl.
Kick, 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 kick. She's kicking, yeah?
Yeah, she is.
Yeah? We'll go under? Yeah? Yeah?
Look at shoulder roll.
Yay! Ayla! So sick, you guys.
Lay back like me. Look at this. Whoa, look at the big girl.
Wow. Oh, she doesn't like that.
You guys are crazy.
Not down.
You love swimming with Daddy.
Are you a little?
Maybe like 20 pounds. Yeah, this kind of looks oversized for her.
Like this?
Hi! Yes! She keeps calling me. She's like, Mom, Mom. I just came out of the water and it is freaking cold. That was not a good idea. I'm like freezing. I just wanted to say hi to everyone, and I am trying to make daily vlogs. I have been going strong now for a couple weeks of getting a video up at least every day, but I look forward to making videos and showing you guys our life here in Hawaii. Ayla is still in the water with Ninong, which is my sister, her boyfriend Dorian, and her daddy, Kikuo. They could seriously just stay out there for like hours and not complain and just completely love it. He's gonna go take a swim right now, huh? It's so cool. My scar, you guys, it's healing. It looks pretty bad, huh? If you guys want to hear all about that, I will link that story down below. Here they come. Are you in your Pooh Bear outfit? Are you in your Pooh Bear outfit? Yeah, did you have fun in the water?
Ayla, did you want to go swing?
Yes, you do.
It's really not that cold. It's not. I feel like it's, I don't know. Ayla, you want to swing? This is sketch. It's like super fun, like it goes crazy. Ayla, Ayla, you like it? So fun, yeah? Yeah. Look, Ayla, look at mommy. I'm gonna push you, okay?
Watch out! Oh man.
I got to watch my kids inside. Love it.
Banana. Okay, mommy gonna eat. Are you playing? We're gonna start cleaning up, getting ready.
You want to get shit by this?
Yeah, slow down. That sounds fun. Does it feel cool in here now? It's hot out there. It is 3:48. Can you go woo? Ayla's tired. So we ended up skipping the shave ice and we went to the place right next to the shave ice. She's sharing with her dad. Let's see if mine's ready. Nope, mine's not ready.
Put it back. Put it back.
You want
No,
more?
put it back first.
Say more.
Go in first.
More. I'm so excited for mine. And I got a Thai shake with boba. I always get a Thai milk tea. I was feeling frisky with the shake. This is a life. Tasha's trying mine. Ayla's loving hers. Are you gonna get daddy kiss goodbye?
Bye.
Mommy kiss. Bye.
Bye. Bye, baby. Oh, you have to come back for kisses. Okay.
Oh.
Did you give hug? What about on your nose?
Did you get owie on your nose? Ayla just had a bath. This is the time where I start thinking about what I'm gonna make for dinner. We decided to clean our oven today. It has a self-cleaning oven. We decided that we're not gonna cook anything for dinner, so Keiko just went to go get his takeout. And I'm feeding Ayla. I cut up some avocado, and then that's a piece of organic sprout bread, and then I give her guacamole to dip the avocado and bread in it, and she loves that. She's making a mess right now at this. You want help? Say help. And believe it or not, that's spicy guacamole. So it says 95% avocado and 5% spices. And she loves it. We're getting takeout and he's getting Taco Bells. Hi. Are you eating dinner? I just put a little black bean hummus on her plate. So let's see what she does with that. That's yummy, Ayla.
Hey.
I can't believe we're doing this.
You just took a bath.
Can you believe it? You're so grubby, girl. Like all the way down to her diaper. Is that yummy?
Eating avocados.
Elmo's World. Dun 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 dun. Elmo's World. She's honey. She doesn't want to go to bed. Yeah, you ready to go pick a book? What do you want? You want Hickory Dickory Dock? Yeah? Okay, that sounds like a good one. Are you gonna have sweet dreams? Yeah, Mommy's gonna miss you when you go to sleep, but I can't wait until you wake up. Okay, show Daddy the book that you got. Oh. Does Ayla want to read it?
Ayla reads it?
Okay,
Okay.
Ayla reads it to Mommy and Daddy.
Hickory dickory dock.
Do you see Elmo? What does Elmo say? Yeah. Wow.
There's Elmo.
Elmo, you found him. Oh my goodness. Where's Elmo? Wow, she found him. I am going to finish editing up some of my videos. I can still hear my daughter crying. I just put her to bed and it is 7:44. I am winning. Saturday night here, so I'm going to watch a movie with Kikwa. Please subscribe if you would like to see more of our day in the life. Good night. Bye. It's totally like midnight and I decided to come look for a midnight snack and this is gonna go good.